Hello, I'm a lazy trader, and I'll walk you through a complete beginner's guide to spot trading on Bybit. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create an account, secure it, buy crypto with a card or bank transfer, deposit funds, place trades, earn passive income, withdraw your crypto, and cash out. Let's get started. First, a quick overview. Bybit is a global cryptocurrency exchange launched in 2018. Today, it has over 15 million users worldwide and is one of the fastest growing platforms in crypto. On Bybit, you can buy, sell, and trade popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. You can trade both spot and derivatives. If you're new to crypto, you can buy it directly on the platform, using a credit card, bank transfer, or peer-to-peer options. Bybit also offers advanced tools for different strategies, including leverage and options. And if you're not actively trading, you can earn passive income through their earn products. Here, you'll find options like flexible savings, fixed-term staking, DeFi mining, and dual asset strategies. Each comes with different risk levels and returns. Bybit also includes a Web3 wallet, NFT marketplace, and educational content to help you improve your trading skills. You can use Bybit on desktop or their mobile app. For this tutorial, I will be using the web version. To sign up, go to bybit.com, enter your email, and create a strong password. You can also sign up with Google or Apple. Once logged in, you'll land on the homepage. Before doing anything, secure your account. This is extremely important. Go to your profile icon, account, and security. Enable SMS verification and Google Authenticator. This protects your account from unauthorized access. Now, let's talk about funding your account. Bybit is mainly a crypto-to-crypto exchange, so you'll need crypto to start trading. If you don't have the crypto yet, go to Buy Crypto, one-click buy. Choose your currency, the amount, and the crypto you want. Then select your payment method: card, bank transfer, or wallet balance. Keep in mind, this is convenient, but usually not the cheapest way to buy crypto. Alternatively, you can deposit crypto. Go to Assets, Deposit. Choose your coin, for example, USDC. Select the network carefully. This is critical. If you choose the wrong network, your funds can be lost. Copy the address or scan the QR code and send your funds. Once confirmed, your balance will appear. Now, let's move to trading. Go to Markets, Spot. Choose a trading pair, for example, BTC USDC. On this screen, you'll see the chart in the center, order book on the right, and the trading panel below. There are two main order types you need to understand: market orders and limit orders. Market order executes instantly at the current price. Let's place one. Enter the amount, for example, 50 USDC. Click Buy BTC and confirm. The trade executes immediately, and your Bitcoin appears in your balance. Now, let's look at limit orders. Select Limit, set the price you want to buy at, for example, below the current market price. Enter the amount and place the order. Now, it waits until the market reaches your price. While waiting, your order appears in Open Orders. You can cancel it anytime. Once filled, it moves to Order History. Selling works exactly the same. Just switch to the Sell tab. You can sell instantly with a market order or set your own price with a limit order. Now, let's talk about earning. Go to Finance, then Earn. Here, you can stake your crypto and earn interest. For example, USDC can earn up to 7% annually depending on conditions. Just remember, higher return usually means higher risk. Now, withdrawals. Go to Assets, then Spot, Withdraw. Choose your coin, add your wallet address, select the correct network. Always double-check everything. Crypto transactions cannot be reversed. Enter the amount, review the fee, and confirm. If you want to cash out to fiat, there is a workaround. Go to Buy Crypto, switch to Sell. Choose your crypto and convert it to fiat. Then withdraw to your bank account. Processing time depends on your method. And that's it! Now you understand how to use Bybit for spot trading from start to finish. This is a Lady Trader. See you in the next video.